Step 4 is finding the numbers. So, a plus b is equal to minus 20 because minus 20 is right below a plus b. And 100 is equal to ab because 100 is right below ab. So, I'm going to use 100 to factorize. So 100 is equal to 10 and 10. 10 and 10 make 20. But this is a negative 20. So we will have to have negative 10 and negative 10. So don't forget, guys, AB is for factorizing and finding numbers, and A plus B is for deciding the sign. So the numbers are negative 10 and negative 10. Step 5 is substituting in the formula. So you would have x plus a and x plus b, but since a is minus 10 and b is also minus 10, you would have x minus 10 times x minus 10 is equal to 0. If they ask you for the product of two binomials, this will be your answer. But if they ask you like least and greatest, or they just ask you x is equal to question mark, you will use this way that I'm about to tell you. So if they ask you x is equal to question mark, you will have to do this extra step, which is x minus 10 times x minus 10 is equal to 0, can be written as x minus 10 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. So obviously these equations are the same thing, so I'll just use one of them for now. So our answer would be x is equal to 10. So x is